Hello, perverts! It's me, Moxy, your favorite lewd artist. I'm not your favorite? That's pretty hurtful. What's that? You're sorry? You'll do anything to make it up to me? Well, how about you like and subscribe? Today I want to talk about why I draw smut and why you should too. Normie society may look down on people like me, but I'm a happy little elf who doesn't have to give a darn tootin' hoot about what those people think because I love what I do. Here's a convenient algorithm-friendly list of the reasons why. Number 1, I don't have a boss. I'm still beholden to clients, patrons, and my own basic needs, but as long as I meet my responsibilities, I get to make all the decisions. I can sleep in, take breaks, and eat when I want. Work extra hard when I'm feeling inspired, experiment, and best of all, there's no one that can chew me out for doing a bad job. Not that I ever do a bad job. This allows me to build the days around things that are important to me. I can cook, work out, run errands, socialize, and garden because I'm in control of my time. I don't have to defer doing them because of long hours, long commutes, or long recoveries from stressful working conditions. You know that feeling you get around Sunday night? That dread that your temporary freedom is about to expire and Monday is inevitable. Just draw a good porn and you won't have to deal with it anymore. And number 2, the demand is bottomless because readiness is unlimited. Speaking from personal experience, smut offers a kind of product that can tickle the sexual fantasy that nothing else can. So if you doodle boob or chopped ass, you're never out of work. Other than the very beginning of my career, I have had little to no trouble catching enough commissions to make ends meet. Now, a certain baseline of quality is required to secure your livelihood, but as long as you have that, if you draw it, they will come. Number 3, it's fun. Drawing smut is so much fun. Drawing is already fun, but now add, and don't forget, with all the dripping all over that, everyone has sexual fantasies, and I get to bring mine to life as my job. I'm sure as long as I maintain a healthy mindset, I can keep doing this until I literally can't anymore. Have you ever tried to look for something while horny and there just isn't enough content? Well, you have the power to change that. My head is totally empty. And even I could learn how to draw. It's been a very rewarding process, especially when I draw all the with and so why not you? Number 4. Everything in the smut, sex, sexuality, sex work, fetish, kink, horny, soup needs to be destigmatized. This isn't to say anyone should air out their genitals in public and subject strangers to their kinks. Private things should stay private. But there doesn't have to be a taboo or shame attached to these things. Even some of the things you may find yucky. Don't yuck someone else's yum, unless they are acting on a yum that harms someone else. But everything else should be fair game. Sexual repression leads to more violent outcomes. Studies suggest that legalizing porn decreases cases of sex crimes. If you draw smut, you may be providing an outlet to a potential miscreant. And on a larger scale, the more people are able to explore their own sexuality, the happier our society can become. Has this list inspired you to become a smut master? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with all of your artist friends. Thanks for watching!